optimize for the atmosphere. Bornholm Island in Denmark, home to 60,000 people, spread among 5 towns and about a dozen villages. The people of Bornholm farm, they fish, and in summer they attend to the tourists, attracted by the island's gentle beauty. Like so many people around the world, Bornholm was shocked to discover in the 70s their total dependence on imported oil. So they put together a plan to stop using oil within 30 years. But that's still a long way off. Bornholm is showing how difficult it is to break free from oil. This morning, out to enlist support for the alternative energy plan is the head of the island's local government, Mayor Jens Brandt. The immediate issue is a new installation that will be voted on in a few days. It's a critical step for the mayor, who himself initiated the plan.
The energy plan began after the 2 oil crises we had. Oil became expensive, and it was hard times for the Bornholm community. So we had to figure something out.
With the economy in trouble, the mayor asked his Environment and Development Director for advice. Energy self-reliance was Jan Jespersen's suggestion.
We looked around to see if we could find some interesting projects in this field. And, well, we have a lot of straw,
I can't.
manure and wood in this island. So why not try to put the things together and make some energy planning based on that?
Bornholm has abundant renewable resources, but much of it, like pig manure, was regarded as waste. It was a nuisance, just like the surplus straw in the fields, and disposal was difficult. Exploiting waste for energy could solve several problems at once.
So things fit into each other. So we could make an energy planning, we could improve the environment, we could get more employment, and we could have better local economy.
As well as agricultural wastes, there was another renewable resource which Bornholm enjoys in abundance. The island lies out in the Baltic, 20 miles from the mainland, so it's a windy place. Denmark has some of the best windmill technology in the world. There are now 42 windmills on Bornholm. Since 1986, windmills have taken over 2% of Bornholm's electricity. But around the world, wind energy is negligible.